Every day, institution staff manually process stacks of documents, transcripts, financial documents, admissions forms, any document. What you see here is not a typo. It's not 45 minutes to 12 minutes, it's 45 minutes to 12 seconds. That is the difference between the way institutions process documents today and what Prism makes possible. As the number of applications increases, so does the probability of human error. Institution staff have to manually read applications, including handwritten ones, and input them into the system. You take application influx, strict timelines, and manual data entry on top of deciphering handwriting, and you have the perfect recipe for mistakes. This is where Prism solves these problems in three simple steps. First, Prism ingests documents, digital, handwritten, transcripts, admissions applications, and converts them into clean data within seconds. Institution staff can review the parsed data and automatic evaluations and have final say in one click, writing data directly into their system. And this is what Prism looks like. In template management, we can add, view, and edit document templates. You have the power to modify any field and change any of their values. We can upload single documents or batch documents and change their values, all parsed by Prism. And within seconds, we can review parsed data and change them if we so wish. Here we're looking at John Doe's transcript. You have the final say in these ingested documents. So this is what happens when we use Prism. Hours of manually parsing documents becomes seconds per document. Days of evaluation now takes minutes. And we get higher accuracy parsing handwritten documents, with final authority still in the hands of institution staff. And this is what it looks like at scale: 10,000 documents, a realistic volume during enrollment season. At 45 minutes each, that is over 312 days of staff work, close to a year of human hours just to get through the stack. All while that 14-day mandate window is ticking, errors are compounding, and students are waiting. With Prism, that same workload takes under 2 days. So the question is not whether institutions need a solution, it is how long they can afford to go without one. These are not theoretical problems with theoretical solutions. Prism is live with documented results. NCCU and Ivy Tech had to manually input and determine credit transfers per student. What took 45 minutes now takes 12 seconds. Palo Verde College had to manually parse handwritten admission forms from incarcerated applicants and input them into their system. An hour of manual input now takes 12 seconds per form. Santiago Canyon College had to also manually map prior credits per transfer student while comparing to a master report of the student's entire prior education. 45 minutes per student, now 12 seconds. These are real results: 45 minutes to 12 seconds. This is not an improvement, this is a transformation. The bottleneck is solved, the backlog is gone, the errors are eliminated. This is Prism, and Prism is just one piece. It lives within LightLeap's end-to-end AI platform, built to connect and streamline every part of the institution's workflow. Come see us at our booths.